Break the pattern today or the loop will repeat tomorrow. Break the pattern today or the loop will repeat tomorrow. You must break the pattern today or the loop will
First pick a lead and make simple melody. Then take synth and make again simple melody. Then pick another lead, but this time use slide notes. Then layer it 2 times with different leads. Make it bouncier with next one-shot lead. Wait, before we go any further, if you like my sounds, make sure to check out my Patreon. I've got exclusive drum kits, one-shots and more stuff to level up your beats. Links in the description. Drums are simple, just take a snare. Then add this crispy hi-hat from my drum kit and make this pattern. Another snare. Classic open hat. And that hard 808. And for the last part of drums, just change to 1/3 beat and make this hard snare pattern, and that's it. Here is final loop with drums.
I just do whatever I feel. Oh man, let me that be.